Hey YouTube, how you all doing? Got a couple of boxes here. Solar post accent lights and pathway lights. Both are solar powered. Hang tight, I'll show you how to install it. Alright, let's install it. Look like you got mounting screws, but pretty much self-explanatory. Right there. Find a spot. Think I know exactly where to put them. One right there and one right there. Just got this table and those are all the boxes. So let's get installed. All right, I wish they gave you a template, right, for the holes. So now we're gonna do our own template and get going. But before we get started, let's go ahead and pull out the tab. Protects it. It's good to go. It should be charging. Do it for all. Just pulls up. No tools needed. Pull it. Last one. Charge it 12 hours to 24 hours. And I wish there's an on and off button. Let's pull it out. Yeah, there's no on and off button. We'll peel it off once we get finished installing. Okay. Let's put the top on. It just slides on. Take this off. And do the same thing for the other three. You are set. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. And of course, I'll get a shot of it nighttime. Wait until the end of the video. I'll put it in there.